Hey guys, it's time to do unbox the Huawei Y7 Prime 2018 and it is officially launched in Pakistan. So let's see the specification on the back and you can see it is having 32GB internal storage with 3GB RAM and of course Android 8.0 Oreo and the two cameras on the back and of course Huawei full view display. I think so some no bezels in the front. So let's quickly unbox it and you can see it is the Y7 Prime and this is the color name blue. So let's out the phone and you can see it looks very beautiful in this color and you can see and feels very light and this is having a $200 is price. So let's peel the plastic on the front and you can see, let's show you this color and you can see it is having some noise cancellation mic and the dual cameras and 5 megapixel and the 13 megapixel and of course the fingerprint scanner is back and this is the 3.5 mm headphone jack and the USB and this is the USB 2.0 and the speaker and the volume up is on the right, volume up, volume down and the key on the right. So let's put the side here and look inside the box and this is some, and you can see this is the SIM injecting tool and this is some Huawei 1 year warranty card. This is the Huawei quick start guide for learn your phone and this is the hand-free Huawei hand-free. I'll show you some and this is very excellent quality in this price range and this is, I have already unboxed this phone in shop and you can see USB 2.0 and this is the charger and this charger is not support fast charging and you can see 1 ampere charger. So this thing is really bad and this is a Huawei Y7 Prime silicone case and you can see for your phone and this is another thing and this is the protector. So let's put the side here all the stuff and look at the phone and you can see it looks very beautiful, I have to say again. And this is the fingerprint scanner and this is the 5 megapixel front camera and this is having a 18:9 aspect ratio. So let's quickly on the Snapdragon 430 processor which is awesome and it 32GB internal storage with 3GB RAM. So let's quickly boot and show you the actual UI and you can see it is on. And you can see it is a 6-inch IPS display, not good as the Super AMOLED because Super AMOLED is very good display and of course it is having a 720p display, not the full HD. So let's see the UI. It is the EMUI. Go to the system, about phone and you can see Android 8.0 Oreo with EMUI 8.0 and then you can see and this is the software for the Huawei and you can see this is the ice effect for night. Let's go back and you can see full screen display and you can see it is the infinity display like the Samsung and you can easily, I think this phone is having a change the resolution and this phone is having support a facial sensor to recognize the face to unlock your phone. and the fingerprint scanner on the, and let's show you the fingerprint scanner speed. 3 2 1 go, and you can see looks very fast. So let's see the Face ID of the Huawei. And you can see it looks very bad. So this is the internals, looks very good internals for this price range, and the fingerprint scanner is also fast. So let's see the camera, and you can see it is having a 13 plus 5 megapixel camera on the back, with you take a portrait shot as well, and the swipe to the left you can a different mode like photos, video, HDR, and the filters, all the things is here. And the swipe to the right you can show you the resolution 13. So let's see the video recording, and let's swipe to the right. It is also record up to 1080p, so not good as the 4K. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. You want to see some more videos about the Y7 Prime, let me know in the comment section below. I catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.